reason why it came to Hemel Depot, I believe it's to replace the existing E300s out in the new Arriva livery. Well, likely KX09 range. And I believe they required the spare vehicles that are from elsewhere to transfer down to come into the Hemel Depot. So this is working currently on a 322 service to Rickmansworth via Watford. Notice with Arriva now outside of London is that they've now changed the colour. It's now pink instead of either like silver or green, and I don't like the pink ones because with Arriva the colour of it is green, not pink, so that doesn't make sense. Looks like the driver's going to sub off, or actually they're going to change drivers, I believe. So, going to be here for ages. I'm driving there.
No, you look okay.